Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best rocking chairs that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Storkcraft Premium Hoop Glider and Ottoman. This is a padded rocking chair designed to deliver unmatched comfort. First, the product comes with pockets for convenient storage of your items. The attractive finish makes it a great purchase. Furthermore, this premium quality rocking chair comes with an accompanying ottoman and hoop glider. The smooth gliding ensures that you experience smooth swiveling. And yes, the glider hoop and the ottoman ensure that you have ample seating space. Additionally, the storage pockets offer storage for your items like books and phones. It also features an advanced ball-bearing design that offers easy gliding. The product also offers several color options which make it a great purchase. You choose the colors you love and won't be forced to settle for a color you don't like. Therefore, you can style it to match the colors in the horse. The product requires simple assembling. However, it comes with all the necessary items for convenient assembling. At number 4. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Rocking Chair. This is a portable rocking chair designed to ensure that you enjoy and relax anywhere you like. The chair boasts a tough and durable construction which makes it an ideal purchase. With the folding design, the chair will ensure that you don't get limited to a single location. Of course, it takes up fewer space thanks to the folding design. Another thing, the chair features a tough construction. With its ultra-grade powder-coated construction, this chair will offer long-lasting service. With the sturdy frame, it holds up to 250 pounds. It is, therefore, perfect for most people. With its padded armrest, your comfort is guaranteed. It even comes with a built-in beverage holder to keep you refreshed as you relax. The chair also features an excellent spring-action rocking performance which delivers smooth swiveling and rocking. It is perfect for indoor and outdoor uses. For instance, you can use it while camping, on the lawn, tailgating or in the patio. At number 3. Homall Single Recliner Chair Padded Seat. This is a PU leather rocking chair designed to ensure that you have a great relaxing moment. The high-quality material makes it comfortable and skin-friendly. It isn't one of those materials that cause irritations after coming into contact with your skin. The high permeability and resilience make it amazing. It feels comfortable and smooth on your skin. Another thing, the high-density sponge also makes it an ideal product for you. It will guarantee comfort. The material conforms to your body contour too. Therefore, you won't be experiencing any discomfort. Additionally, this chair delivers a double comfort. How is that? Well, the push-back reclining design with an adjustable footrest ensures that you rest easy. Then, it also comes with a wide armrest which boasts a curved shape for excellent performances. With the extra large cushion, you have enough room for stretching. Another thing, the chair also features a thicker backrest which guarantees added comfort. At number 2. Naomi Home Brisbane Glider and Ottoman Set Espresso. This is another great investment. The rocking chair boasts an espresso cream finish which gives it an attractive look. The excellent colors for the cushion give it an elegant finish, making it an addition to your decor. Something else, the chair features convenient dimensions which make it ideal for most places. The weight also makes it easy to transport. It weighs 12 pounds which is quite reasonable. The chair also delivers years of service. For instance, it boasts an excellent solid wooden construction. The materials make the product stable and sturdy. With its unique ball bearings, the chair offers a smooth swiveling and gliding for added comfort. This chair offers excellent rocking ability which makes it favorite for most people. It is comfortable, no doubt. For instance, it offers a generous seating room which makes it ideal for most people. Another thing, the cushions offer extra comfort and relaxation. With the design, you also get some unique pockets for holding your items like phones. At number 1. Naomi Home Odelia Swivel Rocker Recliner Mocha. This is a great rocking chair. It delivers a 360-degree smooth rotation which makes it ideal for outdoors and indoors. Additionally, the product delivers a 135-degree reclining which makes it extremely comfortable. It is equipped with a convenient rocker and a closed footrest for additional comfort and convenience. The chair also boasts a unique square silhouette construction which makes it amazing. It features an advanced button tufting design on the backrest. With its excellent track arm construction, you are guaranteed comfort. The design looks elegant and stylish, making it an amazing rocking chair for your home. This rocking chair also comes with supportive features for added comfort. For instance, it features an advanced spring core foam for comfort. In fact, it conforms to your general body contour for extra support and stability. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.